Our home planet Earth is facing one of the greatest challenges in its history: climate change. This phenomenon is not just a distant threat, it is happening right now, affecting every corner of our world. Imagine our planet as a living, breathing organism, a complex web of interconnected systems, each one finely tuned over millennia. These systems include our forests, rivers, and oceans, all working in harmony to sustain life. But now that balance is being disrupted at an unprecedented rate by a force we ourselves have unleashed: climate change. Industrial activities, deforestation, and pollution are accelerating this crisis, leading to severe consequences for all living beings. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns on our planet. These shifts can be natural, such as through volcanic eruptions or variations in solar radiation. However, in recent decades, human activities have become the primary driver of climate change. Human activities like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial production have accelerated these changes at an alarming rate. These activities release massive amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, primarily carbon dioxide, trapping heat and causing the planet to warm. The consequences of this warming are far-reaching. We are witnessing more frequent and severe weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves. Additionally, ecosystems and wildlife are being disrupted, leading to loss of biodiversity. Melting glaciers and rising sea levels are other significant impacts of climate change. Coastal areas are at risk of flooding, and communities are being displaced. The warming effect, known as global warming, is the driving force behind the changes we're seeing in our climate today. Addressing climate change requires global cooperation and immediate action. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions, transitioning to renewable energy sources, and protecting natural habitats are crucial steps in mitigating its effects and ensuring a sustainable future for our planet. The consequences are here and now. We are experiencing stronger storms, devastating floods, and more intense droughts. Glaciers are melting at an alarming rate, contributing to rising tides and depriving communities of vital freshwater sources. Many animals and plants are losing their habitats, facing the risk of extinction. This doesn't just affect the environment, it has a profound impact on our daily lives, influencing our health, our safety, and our future. Air pollution, fueled by the burning of fossil fuels, chokes our cities, leading to respiratory problems and other health complications. The air we breathe becomes a silent killer, affecting children, the elderly, and those with pre-existing conditions the most. Extreme weather events disrupt our lives, damage infrastructure, and strain our resources. Hurricanes, floods, and wildfires become more frequent and severe, leaving communities in a constant state of recovery and uncertainty. Food security is threatened as traditional farming practices are disrupted by unpredictable weather patterns and prolonged droughts. Farmers struggle to grow crops, leading to shortages and higher prices, which affect everyone, especially the most vulnerable. Change starts with us. Here are a few simple actions that can make a difference. Reduce single-use plastics, use public transportation or ride a bike. Save energy at home by turning off lights, using energy-efficient appliances, and reducing air conditioning. Plant trees and protect existing forests. We need to demand responsible environmental policies from our leaders. Our individual actions, while important, are not enough. Support businesses and organizations committed to sustainable practices. Every purchase we make is a vote for the kind of future we want to create. Together we can create a more sustainable future. Climate change is real, but so is our ability to act. The future is in our hands. What are you willing to do for our planet? Share your ideas in the comments. Every small step counts, creating a wave of change that can restore our planet's balance.